Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I still think this is the end of a wave 4. I still think this is a wave 5. My target for this wave 5 is actually still up at around the 2250 to 2350 area. Now, I'm not saying that we may not get a decent pullback, especially with this spike that we just had, but I do think that it is just going to be a correction, and I do think that it is going to keep on trending up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push up right here, because like I said, I do think there is a very good chance that this is going to bounce off a fib level and continue the uptrend. So, anybody that's like a scalper or a day trader, you could definitely be looking for shorts, but I definitely, as more like a swing trade strategy, am looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame, we had a big spike reversal right at the all-time high level. And like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it did make a pretty decent little pullback, maybe something like that before it continues up. But we don't really know that it's going to do that, and we are sitting at the 61% right now, so we definitely want to keep an eye for a break of structure on this sort of time frames that may tell us that we are making a move to the upside. So, taking it down to the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, we definitely got impulsive down, corrective up, and impulsive down. So if it does go up, if it does break structure at the 61%, then I would definitely become a buyer again, and I would start looking for longs. I believe the trend is up on the higher time frames, and I believe once we get a break of structure to the upside that we need to continue to look for longs. But like I said, until we get this break of structure, anybody that's day trading or scalping probably should continue to look for shorts, because it potentially could go down further, maybe to the 78 or even the 88% before it actually does go up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for either a break of structure to the upside or potentially a higher low with an engulfing move up. If I see either of those, then it may entice me to go long, because I do think the trend is up on the much higher time frames. But I would not try to go long until I see that picture, and really it actually kind of looks like we made a short today. It kind of looks like it's at least going to go back down to these lows, and it potentially could go further than that, down to the 78 or even the 88% Fibonacci levels. So for me, would definitely be looking for shorts on anything on the 1 hour time frame and under, or I would be waiting for a break of structure to the upside or a higher low to start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.